I come from Hong Kong and currently I'm studying in Korea. So it is my pleasure to join the Peach Cooking Class today and I'm happy to visit Jeonju again.
Hi, I'm Samuel. I'm also from Hong Kong. I actually just came to Korea a few weeks ago. And I'm also very happy to join this Peach Cooking Class here today as well.
So I've been following the Visit Jeonju official Instagram account and then I saw that they're organizing a Peach Cooking Class event. So I feel it is really interesting to join a cooking class, and also I didn't know that Jeonju is actually famous for peaches. So I felt it would be interesting to join the event and try a peach cooking class. And also, Samuel has never been to Jeonju before, so I think it would be a good opportunity for us to visit here.
I think the class was very interesting because when we talk about peaches, like I didn't know you can make peaches for other dishes. I really thought peaches was only for dessert and for after meal. So this was quite an experience for me.
Like the teacher was really creative as well. So she knows the ingredients so well. So she makes all the ingredients together, like peaches with like lemon sauces, etc. So these all made the food super fresh and. Yeah, and follow like thanks for her help, we could also make quite a good dishes at last.
I think one of the highlight was that I had to cut the peaches and turn it into a peach flower, which was very difficult for me to do.
Yeah, I actually totally agree as well. So for me, it was the most memorable point as well because when we first saw the teacher making the peach flowers, we thought it would be really, really difficult. But then when we tried it and then did it gradually, we could actually make quite a pretty rose peaches flower. And I really like the flowers that I made.
If I have the chance, actually, after learning this recipe, I would really like to cook for it as well.
For me, I actually want to cook for my Korean friends because a lot of my Korean friends, they don't cook at home, and also a lot of them didn't know that actually Jeonju is so famous for peaches. So if there are any chances, I would like to use the peaches in Jeonju to make the dishes that we learned today and share with them the great peaches in Jeonju and the great dishes that we learned today. Yes, for sure. So Samuel has never been to Jeonju before. So first I would like to bring him to the very famous Jeonju Hanguk village. And then next, I think we will just go to visit Jeonju official Instagram page to see what we can do, see like what kind of experiences that we can do in Jeonju. And how about you?
Bibimbap.
Yeah, the famous bibimbap for sure. Another food tour. 복숭아가 맛있는 청주로 오세요. Visit Jeonju.
Come now.